welcome back to DIY Yolande. My name is Yolande and I love DIYing and working with power tools. Today's video, as you've read from the title, is something very different, and that is because we are unboxing a giveaway that I won. I still can't believe it, and I am so grateful for it. So for those who are not following me on Instagram, I won a giveaway from Kanya, who is an Instagram coach. She helps nano influencers collaborate and work with brands. So she also helps nano influencers launch themselves as entrepreneurs and create and build their own products using social media. I genuinely entered just because I honestly did not think or actually believe that I will win, because she does have a great community and a great following, and I legit did not think I would win. So I'm so grateful to winning. Thank you so much, Kanya, for such a value-filled giveaway. So I just want to give you guys just a small background of how special this giveaway is for me. On the day that she was announcing the giveaway winner, I was away from my phone because my battery was running low and I was frantically looking for a charger, to buy a charger because my charger had broken. And when I opened up my phone, eventually was able, to just get a little life in it, and I got a Instagram mention, and that Kanya mentioned me. So I'm thinking, oh my gosh, she's roasting me again, because that's what she does with us, her community members who are part of her Impact Influencer course. So I opened it, I'm like, oh, what did I do now? And I see, congratulations, you've won the giveaway. I still can't believe it, but I believe it because this box, I'm not gonna cry, because this box is here today. And I was just feeling so down when my phone charger broke, because I shoot my content off my phone, guys. Every piece of content you have seen on any of my platforms, whether it's Instagram, here on YouTube, Twitter or Facebook, it has been shot and created using my cell phone. I have an iPhone 6s Plus, and it too was also a gift. And I've just been so grateful in having it, because it has enabled me to just do so much with it. There are certain limitations, but I'm a person who believes in working with what you have. If you do not have that particular thing and you do not have the financial means for it at that point in time, then don't stress yourself about it. Do not work yourself out about it. Work with what you have. And so when I won this, I genuinely did not believe it, because that weekend when my charger broke, and I didn't have money to buy a charger, that weekend that my charger broke, I was due to batch shoot. I think it was 3 videos that weekend. I prepped, planned everything. Everything was planned out. I just needed to just put my phone on the tripod and shoot, but I couldn't, because obviously my phone battery was dead. So yeah, this winning this means so much for me. But yeah, let me stop blabbing and show you a clip of me unboxing the good. And my initial reaction is roll the clip. I'm legit opening. Oh my god, guys! Oh, Kanya, like I still can't believe I really won done this. Don't cry. Give me a charger and a battery. Shit, I don't even know how to open. So you've seen that, so let me stop talking. Okay, so here is what is in the box. So there is this beautiful drop, and you know guys, here's a DIY Yolande tip. If you want to create a backdrop and you do not have the means of buying those fancy backdrops, then just go to your local fabric store and cut out the amount of meters of the different fabric colors and textures that you want, and then you can use that as your backdrop, which is the exact same concept here. So I got this baby and this one. This one is also double-sided, so I can use it on the black side and also on the gold side. And guys, okay, so I got this bag. This is what it looks like. So I want a Canon 700d. This one has a flip out screen. Does it? Yeah, it also does this. A 500mm Canon lens. An 18 to 55mm Canon lens. Guys, I'm still learning these things, even closing these things. Girl! Oh, guy watching this, I'm learning. Charger, and not one, but 2 batteries. Oh my gosh. So I know you guys are seeing this and are excited along with me. I am so grateful. For those that are commenting, congratulations, well done, Siyabongela. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Because you're my people, I know you're going to say that, so that's why I'm thanking you now in advance. Okay. To be learning on the job, okay? So I will be posting content using the camera, editing off of Windows, and you know, the works, the whole shebang. So I'm just asking you right now to just be part of this journey with me. There will be glitches, there will be errors, there will be, you know, because I've never edited off a laptop or off a PC before. I've only ever edited off my phone, which I've become so familiar with. A camera, it's a totally different ball game. So what I'm just urging and requesting from you guys is just to be patient with me as I learn and make mistakes along on this journey with regards to the recording of the footage. My DIYs will still be the same, and I'm looking forward to the content that I have planned out for you, that I have pre-recorded for you, and I hope that you guys continue to enjoy and continue to support. Much for getting this far in this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube channel. I think you guys want to keep me to yourselves because you don't share my content, and I know you'll love it because you'll tell me you love it, but why you're not sharing it? Because you want to keep me to yourselves. Share it with your friends, with your family, so that more of us can grow within this DIY Yolande community. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your Friday, because this is getting posted on Friday. And if you watch it on any other day and on any other time zone, enjoy the rest of your day, boo-boo. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay? And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.